Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can unframe objects and frames in your Figma designs. So let us get started. Head over to the design on Figma so I can go with that one here. And if we take a look at that list of layers here to the left, you will see a frame. And if I expand it, we will see that this frame here, frame 1, features a text box and also a masked group with that image here. So if I left click into the frame, all framed objects will be selected. So how can you unframe this frame and move these objects out of that frame? It is actually very simple, guys. Simply right click into the given frame, in this case here frame 1. That is going to open up that menu here. So from that menu, simply use the feature ungroup, or use that shortcut here to the right to ungroup or to unframe your frame. And there you go. As you can see, the frame has disappeared. Now I can select each element individually and separately and do with it whatever I like. So that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.